artificial intelligence never stops evolving, day after day. And the most striking proof of this evolution is that you can now take a single storyboard image and use AI to transform it into a complete video sequence, in just one click. Say goodbye to creating each shot separately, with endless manual adjustments at every single step. This method is incredibly powerful. It allows you to prototype your ideas much faster. It also allows you to create coherent short films, and even to effectively test your product advertisements before moving into full production. In this video, I am going to show you the entire process, how to generate storyboards that AI actually understands, and how to bring your creative vision to life much faster than before. I am going to walk you through a very simple method, a 3-step workflow that will allow you to achieve all of this easily. Let's get started. I am sure you have already seen several of these videos circulating on social media recently, where the original storyboard is directly overlaid on the finished AI video. This trend is circulating heavily right now, and for good reason. It is a genuinely interesting approach to using generative AI tools in a way that is different from what we usually see. The problem is that nobody actually shows you how to put this workflow into practice in detail. So I am going to fix that today and give you all the information and materials you need to do it yourself. And I will even show you how to do it for free. If you want to have a very high level of control over your storyboards, the first step is to create your reference sheet. This step is often overlooked by most creators, but it is actually absolutely essential if you want to guarantee visual consistency across all of your sequences. And good news, it is actually quite simple to do. Head over to ChatGPT. You now have access to GPT Image 2 for free. Simply click on Try ChatGPT, then click on Create an Image. Upload your reference images and ask the AI to place your photos with the desired style. Describe your outfit with precision. Personally, I used a chef's outfit and detailed every single element. And finally, ask it to generate your image from different angles: front, side, back, and portrait, in order to ensure perfect visual consistency throughout your scenes. But don't worry, you can find this prompt directly on my Telegram channel, along with all the resources used in my videos. It is fully accessible to everyone, and the link is in the description. Our reference sheet has now been generated. Let's move on to creating the storyboard. Before creating our storyboard, we are going to use this MD file specifically designed to structure our storyboard prompt. And what is really great is that you can use it interchangeably with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other model depending on your personal preferences. So how does this work exactly? You feed this file directly into your preferred LLM by uploading the MD file. Also download the reference sheet we just created and upload it at the same time. All that is left to do is describe the type of scene we want to obtain. For example, I am going to ask, create 15-second highly dynamic 3D animation style, with 6-panel. A man prepares a pasta in his kitchen. An energetic process, with movements, actions, and clear transitions from one stage to the next. We click on Send, and Claude, or whichever LLM you are using, will write an extremely detailed prompt for you. As you can see, we get an incredibly rich and precise prompt here, which will then be used as the basis to feed the image into GPT. All we need to do to create our storyboard is copy this prompt, go back to ChatGPT and paste it directly in. You don't need to modify anything at all. The only thing left to do is upload the reference sheet along with this prompt. We set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and we click on Generate. The result is perfect. Now let's generate our video from this storyboard. For this, we are going to use FlexClip. Why FlexClip? Because it allows me to use multiple AI models without having to juggle between different platforms. And on top of all that, you can also edit your final video directly inside FlexClip, without needing any other software. In terms of pricing, it costs you almost nothing. You can use it for only $19.99 per month. If you want to access it, the link is in the description. To generate our video, let's head over to FlexClip AI. Go to the AI Tools section and select the Image to Video model. Then select Seedance 2.0 as the generation model. Let's now upload our storyboard, along with our reference sheet. We are going to ask it, use this storyboard reference to create a complete video, with only diegetic sound, natural ambience, environmental and subjective sound effects. Make sure to include no text at the end of your prompt, in order to avoid any generation errors. The duration will be set to 15 seconds, and I am going to enable the audio. We launch the generation and let's look at the final result together. The result is simply impressive. You can see that the character remains perfectly consistent throughout the entire video, from the first to the last second, with no distortion or visual break whatsoever. This is exactly the level of consistency that makes this method so powerful for creating believable narrative content. Let's now look at another example. You can observe that each sequence flows perfectly smoothly, with natural transitions that give the impression of an actual film shoot rather than an AI generation. You can also apply exactly the same method for product videos.
Origin, pure, powerful, from nature's finest. Washed pressed to perfection, vibrant, fresh, natural energy, vault, fresh, pure, live vibrant.
Alright, you have probably all been waiting for this moment. How to generate videos from storyboards completely for free. The platform we are going to use for this is called Dola AI. This is where we will be able to use Seedance 2.0 for free. Let me show you how. Simply head over to this website. Once inside, you can log in with your mobile phone number, or with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once logged in, if you explore the AI creation section, you will see a section dedicated to image and video generation. Select Video, and you will see that Seedance 2.0 directly appears as an available generation model. You can generate clips of 5 or 10 seconds, and choose any aspect ratio depending on your needs. Let's now generate our storyboard. We are going to create a 30-second short. I am going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a cinematic storyboard in a graphite pencil style. The aspect ratio will be horizontal and divided into 3 panels. We click on Generate. The result is perfect. Let's now generate the next scene. There we go, all of our scenes are now created. Let's head directly over to Dola AI. We are going to use the direct chat mode and select Create Video. Then you upload your storyboard. The duration will be set to 10 seconds, the aspect ratio to 16:9. I had asked to use the provided storyboard sheet only as a visual guide for shot order. Not copy the pencil sketch style but make this on Cinematic Story. Then you click on Generate. The generation can take between 1 and 3 minutes. The first scene is created. Let's generate the following ones in the same way. Once all of our videos are generated, we are going to assemble them in FlexClip. I am going to add a few subtle transitions between the scenes to make everything flow smoothly. Here is the final result.
Sir, wait! I've got you!
Everyone was rushing, until one person chose to stop.
But my wife, she's waiting.
Then we're not late. We're going together.
Sometimes helping someone means becoming part of their
Stop
story.
for me. Now keep this.
I only helped.
No, you gave me back the night.
Kindness doesn't disappear. It returns.
The output is really well done. And you can perfectly use it for your own content or publish it directly on your social media, whether for storytelling, shorts, or even creative advertising campaigns.
Then we're not late. We're going together.
Sometimes helping someone means
I invite you to test this method for yourself and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this video brought you value, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment to share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon.